I have a TCL Roku TV here. I'm going to show you how to set it up from the very beginning. Okay, so first thing is choose your language. I'm going to go with English here. Choose your country. I'm in the United States. Right there. Click on OK on the remote. Set up for home use. Click on OK. I'm going to go ahead and set up a wireless connection. So I'm going to go with wireless. Set up a new wireless connection. Find my wireless network right there. Input my password. After you put in your password, go all the way down to highlight connect. Click OK on the remote. Let this connect. All right. It's connected. Now we're doing a checking for software update. There is an update available. I'm going to go ahead and install it right now. Click on OK. Your TV will restart as well. Okay, it's restarting. Okay, so now I'm going to activate your TV. You do have to activate this to proceed, okay? Now the thing is, on the previous Roku models, usually what happens is on this page here, it asks you to go to like www.roku.com/link. And then once you go to that on your cell phone, on a web browser or computer, and then you go ahead and sign in, and then it automatically give you a 4-digit code that you input into here, okay? However, for this model, for some reason, it's just asking me for an email address. I already have a Roku account, so I'm going to go ahead and enter my email address down there. If you're getting this page here and you don't have an email address or an account with Roku, then just go to roku.com and go ahead and sign up with roku.com with the email address, and then come back here and then enter your email address down here. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my email address. I'm going to click on OK. Once you put in your email address, go down to continue. Now the screen here, I don't want to show you my email address, but it says account activation link sent to so-and-so@gmail.com. And then it says check your inbox, okay? So here's the email that I got. And then I'm going to go ahead and tap on Roku device activation link. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Then I get this screen down here, device name. I'm fine leaving that name there. Which room is it located in? I'm going to go ahead and, here we go. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'll just go ahead and choose office for this one, and you have to agree. Click on continue. Now from here, let's answer some questions to find out your personalized channels and offers. You can go ahead and click on OK that and proceed with the prompts, or you can go ahead and skip it. I'm going to skip it. I don't need to see all that. And then from here, you can add other channels or whatnot. And then once you do that, or if you don't want anything, just go ahead and click on continue right there. Okay, and now all of a sudden this pops up on my TV. And we're done with the Roku website. Channel updates now. All right, there we go. So now it says let's connect. You can go ahead and just press right on the remote. And you can, everything is plugged in and turned on, or you can do this later if you want to put like a cable box in, PS4 and all that. I'm just going to go ahead and click on do this later. And you're all done. Click on OK on the remote. And here's an intro here. You can bypass that, just press the volume up. And there you go. We're in business.